When we first drove the Kia Carens, we absolutely loved the space it offered. It is one of the most practical MPVs in the Indian market. The fact that it is jam-packed with features makes it an even better proposition for buyers in the segment. Now though, it is time for us to speak about the various safety features that the Kia Carens offers. The Kia Carens is equipped with several active and passive safety features, and the list is quite impressive. Kia has given the Carens robust 10 high safety package that is offered as standard across all its variants. Hello and welcome to DriveSpark. This is Bharadwaj, and now it is time for us to speak about those top safety features offered on the Kia Carens. The brakes make a world of a difference in how a car reacts to a situation. The braking system, biggest deciding factor in whether a car can avoid a crash or not. Well, as it turns out, the Kia Carens features impressive braking prowess. Firstly, it is one of the few cars in this price bracket that features disc brake on all four wheels. This in itself reduces the stopping distance by a huge margin. Along with the disc brake, it also features several electronic aids such as ABS, downhill brake control and brake assist that enhances the braking abilities of this MPV. All of these features will help the Kia Carens stop on a dime and will avoid any mishaps.
Enemies all around, ready for war now, standing on his ground, and we will not give up the crown, fighting till the end, we stay until we win, y'all better bring it on, cause this is our battle song, into the jungle.
The Kia Carens is offered with 6 airbags as standard. This includes 2 at the front and 2 at the side for driver and the co-passenger, and 2 curtain airbags for the people sitting in the second row. The fact that the Kia Carens is offered with 6 airbags as standard makes it a sweeter deal. Studies have proven that most crashes happen due to human error. It is quite easy for the driver to get distracted, and it is quite human to make a mistake while driving a car. In order to assist the driver in staying safe and on the road, the Kia Carens comes with a couple of active safety features. This includes electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, downhill brake assist, hill hold assist and hill start assist, and brake assist as well. The electronic stability control ensures that the Carens is stable across all conditions and also arrest wheel spin if any. The hill assist control on the Kia Carens will ensure that there is no rollback in case the car stalls in steep inclines, and the driver can restart the car safely. And also it features downhill brake control that will help the driver to maneuver the Carens safely and easily on downhills. Finally, the Carens also features VSM, which stands for Vehicle Stability Management, which will ensure that the MPV is planted and stable across all conditions. This feature uses data from all the sensors that are present across the car and also help in correcting any misjudged input made by the driver in terms of steering, brake and also acceleration. This MPV also features a tire pressure monitoring system that will alert the driver if there is any abnormality in terms of air pressure on any of the tires. Now this particular feature will also help the driver to get maximum fuel efficiency by keeping the tire pressure in check, because as you already know, any underinflated or overinflated tire will affect the fuel efficiency of the car. In addition to the aforementioned active and passive safety features, the Kia Carens comes equipped with several other additional equipment. This will make life behind the wheel a lot more comfortable and easy. Firstly, the Kia Carens is offered with a rear parking camera that features active guidelines. Now this feature is supported by parking sensors at the front and also at the rear. This will alert the driver of obstacles that are unseen in the mirror and also help maneuver this large MPV into tight spots. Finally, the Kia Carens also comes with ISOFIX child seat anchors to ensure the safety of your young ones traveling in the MPV. Kia Carens is one of those MPVs that will make you fall in love with it, especially if practicality, safety and comfort are your requirements. When you delve deep into the aspects of automobile safety, the crash test safety rating will only tell you how a car will protect its occupants in the event of a crash at speed. However, the features that are offered on the Kia Carens will help you avoid that crash. And the fact that it is offered as standard across variants makes it a sweeter deal for buyers of this MPV. If you are on the lookout for a practical, spacious and a safe MPV, the Kia Carens is going to be your best bet. On that note, it is time to end this video. This is Bharadwaj signing off for DriveSpark. Stay safe and drive safe cars.